Yes, one by one we are discussing now. So there is total 40 question, 4040. So first question is 16th is the 16th is the first one. First one is 16th. First. Now I have written the 16th one. Now first one is this one. Factorize. First one is this one. 4x square minus 9. So in this factorize, what we do? We use the identity. So 4 is the square of 2. 4 is the square of 2. So square is written as, now 9 is the square of 3. Now there is the identity a raised power m into b raised power m. Power is same and multiply between base. So base is written ab power m. This power taken as common power. So due to this 2x is written as 2x whole power 2 minus 3 square. Now here is the one important identity. Identity name is a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. This is the important identity. A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So here is a is 2x and b here is 3. So we replace in the bracket. There are two brackets. So a is 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. This is the answer of this first question. Similarly, second question is x square minus 64y square. Factorize. So there are two terms, so it is binomial term. So we convert binomial into monomial. There is only these two brackets. Convert these binomial into monomial because they are multiplying. Both brackets are multiplying, so there is considered as one term. So it is monomial. So binomial into monomial, trinomial into monomial, and polynomial into monomial. It is called factorization. So again there is binomial two terms. First term is x square, second term minus 64y square. So x square given. Now 64y square is written as 64 is the square of 8. 8 square is 64. Now square taken common, it becomes 8y whole square. So it is again identity, same identity. Identity is a square minus b square. This is very important identity. Later we consider more questions related these 40 questions. So how it is helpful. Now this identity gives us these two numbers in two brackets, so without square. So in first bracket we write x minus 8y, in second bracket we write x minus x plus 8y. This is the answer. So question number 3 now is a raised power 4 over 16 minus 1 over 625. I think the question has larger number, but never mind. A raised power 4 is written as a squares square. A squares square. Because 4, if the power between, if power, two powers have bracket sign between them, it means power is multiplying. And 16 is written as 4 square. And 625 is the square of 25. So this small 2 is called square. Now look in the first term, there is in the term a raised power m over b raised power m. This can be written as a over b whole power m. So according to this, first term is written as a squares over 4 whole square minus 1 over 25 whole square. 1 square is 1. So this 1 square can also we can here write and square taken common. Now the next is identity. So here is in the factorization we are using identity a square minus b square because this is a square, this is b square, act as a square b square. So we write answer in two brackets. In first bracket we write a plus b or a minus b. In second bracket we write vice versa. If first bracket is minus, then second bracket is plus. So this is the identity. So according to this identity, we write these two numbers, a square over 4 minus 1 over 25. We remove the outer square and inner number of bracket we write. So a square 4 minus plus we write here again. Now we are observing here this 25 is again square of 5 and this 4 is again square of 2. So we write again 8 in the first bracket, a over 2 whole square. It becomes a square over 2 square, that is 4. And 1 over 25 is written as 1 over 5 square. So in first bracket there is minus. So this identity has minus sign between them. Second bracket we have plus sign. So there is no further factorization possible according to our small 8th class. So small class. So in the first bracket again we are using this identity. So this convert into two brackets and this this bracket written as it is. So a square by 4 plus 1 over 25 written as it is, and here we convert two brackets. In first bracket we write a over 2 plus 1 over 5. In second bracket a over 2 minus 1 over 5. So this is the monomial term. So this is the final answer here. Next question number 4. Question 4 is 9 over 25 minus 25x square. So 9 is written as 3 square, 25 is written as 5 square, and this 25 is written as again 5 square, x square. So we can say a raised power m, b raised power m. This can be written as ab whole power m. So according to this identity, here 3 over 5, this square taken as common, minus this 5x whole square is written. Now a square minus b square identity we are using. So it is written as a minus b, a plus b. So according to this identity, this is written as 3 over 5 minus 5x, 3 over 5 plus 5x. This is the final answer. Next, problem number 5. Number is x minus 3 whole square minus 36. So here in this question, 36 is written as 6 square because 6 6 are 36. X minus 3 whole square written. Now we know that there is identity again, a square minus b square like pattern. So its formula is a plus b, a minus b. There is no change if we write here minus or in the second bracket plus. So this x minus 3, then first we write plus 6, and x minus 3, second bracket we write minus 6. Since there is like terms minus 3 and 6, they are constant terms, so further simplified. So minus 3 plus 6 we obtain plus 3. In second bracket x minus 3 minus 6, so it gives us x minus 9. This is the final answer. Question number 6. Question is 4x plus y whole square minus 16. So in this question, 4 is written as 2 square, x plus y whole square, and 16 is written as 4 square. Now first two squares taken according to identity, a raised power m, b raised power m equal to ab whole power m. So 2x plus y whole power 2 minus 4 square. So this 2 inside multiply, it becomes 2x plus 2y minus 4 square. So 2 again identity a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So according to this identity, we can write 2x plus 2y minus 4, and in second bracket 2x plus 2y plus 4. This is the final answer. So we have done 6 questions. Now 7th one, similar to all these questions are similar. So 7th one is 9x square minus 16. So 9 is written as 3 square, 16 is written as 4 square. So it becomes 3x whole square and minus 4 square. So identity a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So according to this identity, we can write the answer 3x minus 4. A is 3x, b is 4. So 3x plus 4. This is the answer. Next question number 8. Now from 8, there is the interesting thing. The interesting thing is there is not give any squares is observing 2a cube b minus 5ab cube. So in the question number 8, there is not we are observing the squares. So how we solve? Now there is the common means there are two terms, first term, second term, there is the common term. So that means common factor or HCF, highest GCD, the common factor. So this is important here. Common factors we find of these two terms. So common factor is in the number there is 1 as common factor, but in the variable we can say lowest power that is available in both the term is a, in the a is a power 1. So a cube a, the lowest term is a in the variable, and in the b lowest term is b raised power 1. Here is b cube, here is b. So ab is the common term. So we write ab outside the bracket and divide first term by ab. Divide first term by ab. So a cube cancel by a, we get a square. B cancel by b, we remove the b. Now 5ab cube is divided by ab, we get 5. A cancels, b cube divide b, we get b square.
That's odd, sir.
I think there is some misprint, something misprint. There is should be 50 in the second term. There should be 50 in the second term. So 2 is also common factor in that case. So this 2 can remove and this 50 becomes 25. Now we are seeing that a square minus 25b square. This is the similar question we have done previously. So 5 is 25 is written as 5 square, and outside there is ab written as it is. Now this is the identity again, a square minus b square. Its identity is a minus b times a plus b. So according to this identity, further we write this. So 2ab outside term written as it is, and in the 2 bracket we write first bracket as a minus 5b, in the second bracket a plus 5b. This is the answer of factorization. So here is the small change, only 1 0 is there.